Yung pinagdaanan ko medyo mahirap, Alan, because aside from the procedure itself, the kidney transplant, merong 3 months mandatory isolation period for transplant patients. And the purpose of that is to avoid the rejection and infection. Kasi yung mga kidney transplant patients, immunocompromised sila eh. Tapos, tulad ko, may mga comorbidities pa ako, senior citizen, diabetic, etc. etc. Ang ma-share ko lang sa mga dadaan sa pinagdaanan ko is keep the faith. Never lose faith. Keep the faith and